Welcome back, folks. In today's class, I'll learn about the confidence interval. Now, that is the chapter number 9, first of all, from the textbook. Now, let's look into the definition of confidence interval. It represents the degree of certainty that the estimate driven from the sample accurately reflects the entire population. To understand this definition, we will take an example. So the objective of my example is to find out the average height of a Canadian man. Now, to find out the average height of a Canadian man, I have to go across Canada and ask every individual what's their height is. That is not possible based on the resources I have. So what I did, or what I'm going to do is, I'm going to ask certain people across Calgary, or maybe certain people across Edmonton. So I end up asking those people. I collected a sample of 400 people, and from there I was able to get an average of 170 centimeter. So when I asked these people, they told me about their height, and the average height I calculated from that is 170 centimeter. Now, based on this information, I wanted to make a prediction about what is the average height of a Canadian man. Now, it is really not possible that if the average height of a sample came out to be 170, that's going to be exactly true for the average height of a Canadian man. So to make a prediction about Canada, what we're going to do is we're going to create an interval around this point estimate, because this is 1 point, 1 value. So I'm going to create an interval. Let's say after applying all my statistical tool and finding out the standard deviation and blah, blah, different things, I created an interval which came out to be 160 to 180. Means the lowest value of my interval is 160, highest value is 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a prediction that based on the data which I collected, I can say that the average height of a Canadian man lies between 160 to 180 centimeter. That is what we're going to do. Confidence interval. So you created an interval. Now when you create this interval, in this interval also, the interval you created, the next question will be, how confident are you in making this prediction? Are you 95% confident? Are you 100% confident? Are you 90% confident, 80% confident? So that's what confidence interval does. So now in the next video, we're going to learn about how to calculate the confidence interval, but I just wanted to tell you what confidence interval means. So hopefully you were able to understand that what is the meaning of confidence interval. Thank you.